Podcast title: How Lok Adalat Can Solve Your Land Disputes. Introduction. Welcome to episode 24 of our series, Legal Issues Resolution at Legal Services Authority. In today's episode, we will explore how Lok Adalat can be a powerful tool in resolving land disputes, land conflicts, whether between individuals, families, or communities, can be long lasting and costly. Lok Adalat provides an alternative to the traditional court system, offering an accessible and cost effective way to settle land related disputes. Segment 1: Common types of land disputes. Property ownership conflicts. Disagreements over land ownership, often arising from unclear titles, inheritance issues, or fraudulent transactions. Boundary disputes. Disputes between neighbors or landowners regarding the exact boundaries of their properties. Landlord-tenant conflicts. Issues related to rent payments, property maintenance, and eviction disputes. Land acquisition disputes. Disagreements arising when land is acquired for public use or development, often involving compensation issues. Segment 2: How Lok Adalat can resolve land disputes. Mediation based resolution. Lok Adalat emphasizes peaceful settlement through mutual agreement, reducing animosity and helping parties come to a fair resolution. No court fees. One of the significant advantages is that Lok Adalat sessions don't require costly legal fees, making it accessible to everyone. Quick resolution. Land disputes can take years in traditional courts, but Lok Adalat can settle cases in a few sessions, saving time and resources. Binding decisions. Decisions made in Lok Adalat are legally binding, ensuring that both parties adhere to the settlement. Segment 3: Steps to take in Lok Adalat for land disputes. Step 1: Identify if your land dispute is eligible for Lok Adalat. These include civil property disputes, landlord-tenant issues, and inheritance conflicts. Step 2: Approach your local legal services authority or contact a paralegal volunteer to file your case with Lok Adalat. Step 3: Gather all necessary documents including property deeds, land titles, agreements, and any other evidence supporting your claim. Step 4: Attend the Lok Adalat hearing where both parties will discuss their issues in the presence of a mediator. Step 5: After mediation, if an agreement is reached, a settlement will be made and a formal decision will be recorded. Segment 4: Real life success stories. Case study 1: Two families with overlapping land titles came to a mutual agreement in a Lok Adalat session, dividing the land fairly without further conflict. Case study 2: A tenant and landlord settled their rent and property maintenance issues amicably through Lok Adalat, avoiding lengthy eviction proceedings. Case study 3: Farmers facing unfair land acquisition by a development project reached a fair compensation agreement through Lok Adalat mediation, avoiding costly court battles. Segment 5: Advantages of choosing Lok Adalat for land disputes. Affordable and accessible. No high legal fees and accessible to people from all socio-economic backgrounds. Quicker resolution. Unlike traditional courts, Lok Adalat resolves disputes quickly, reducing the burden on the judicial system, saves time and resources, avoids prolonged litigations, providing a faster, simpler alternative for those involved. Conclusion: If you are facing a land dispute, consider taking your case to Lok Adalat. It offers a speedy, cost effective, and amicable way to resolve conflicts and ensure justice is served by focusing on reconciliation. Lok Adalat provides a platform for fair and binding settlements without the stress of lengthy court cases. Call to action: If you are involved in a land dispute, reach out to your local legal services authority or paralegal volunteer for assistance with filing your case in Lok Adalat. Share this episode to help others understand how Lok Adalat can solve land disputes efficiently. Thank you for tuning in. Stay tuned for the next episode where we will continue to explore legal solutions and services that empower individuals. Stay informed, stay empowered.